Okay.
And
And what it was for me?
what has it meant to you?
All right, my name is Theresa, and this is my last day here with building a guitar with the Phoenix Patriot Foundation and the STEM Foundation or project. Um, this was an amazing experience. It was definitely a humbling one, especially with somebody who's dealing with severe PTSD, TBI, and a couple other things with being in the military. But control is everybody else's issue, usually. And to relinquish control, because there's something that you don't know nothing about, you have your fellow comrades, your fellow veterans that are there to support you. To let go of thought and control is definitely a rewarding feeling, a blessing. I don't know, it makes you want to cry almost. Life-changing. Oh, that's it.
So what does the guitar itself mean to you now?
It's definitely personal. I don't even know if I want to play it. I want to just hang it on my wall so everybody could see it, because they allowed my children to come. It's more personal than anything that from even an old picture, you have an object that's tangible that you can play and that you have a memory with, that is definitely represents courage, that definitely represents strength and honor, courage, and commitment. That's what it meant. Whatever it is that I walked into that military state, those quotes, honor, courage, commitment, that's what I displayed here, and that's what I'm taking back home, with this guitar. That's it.